I'm going to repair a hole in drywall using Drywall Fix It backer plates. It's ABS plastic with beveled holes that'll grab drywall screws. Square off the hole first using a razor knife or a drywall saw. Now you're going to put the backer plate behind the drywall with the honeycomb shape facing out. You can use anywhere from 1 to 4 backer plates. For hole sizes up to 6 inches, you would use 2 plates, 1 on each side. For holes that are larger than 6 inches by 6 inches, you would use 4 backer plates, 1 on each side. I'm going to put the backer plate into the opening so that half of the plate is behind the drywall, and I'm going to connect it with 2 drywall screws set back about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. I'm going to slightly indent the screw. And that honeycomb shape will take the tip and guide it into the hole. For this size opening, I'm going to put 1 more backer plate on the other side. I'll use the piece I cut out as a template so I can create a patch from drywall. Now put your patch over the opening and put 1 drywall screw into each plate. It creates a very solid repair. You'll finish it with compound and tape.